Hi guys, I'm back for another video, and today I'm going to finish off 2 pages of the Logic and Data book, and this is my favourite bit because once you do every serious detail, then it comes up to 3 silly ones. It's my favourite because then I get to it helps me create my own email address and email and everything. It's quite fun. So let's get started. Reading first, not or drawing. Okay, so let's get started. Collecting data. So collecting data is important because it's like, say you had your brain, it'll have to collect all that information from a book. If you want to be archaeologist or a physiologist, I think, yeah, you'll have to collect data. From what you've checked on the internet or books or whatever, you'll have to collect it if it's important. If it's just like gaming and that, don't just start collecting all of it. If you want to collect some of it just for ideas of games and that, then yeah, you can just do that. So let's get started anyway. Data is information that a computer is able to store and use. See, storing in your brain, which is your computer for this instance, and information is data. And let's go it the other way around. At a library, you get a library card. It's true. So you can borrow books and the library can keep data about you. Now, yeah. It's true, everyone might have accidentally kept the book for a few more days, but it's okay. At least libraries have got library cards that give you library cards, so you can renew. If you don't know what renew means, it means get it again. I got 2 library cards. They're all about Python and coding, and I accidentally left it at home for 15 days rather than 13. But at least I got to renew it. Gotta keep it for 3 weeks. But once you renew it, you'll have to renew it. If you don't renew it, then you'll have to pay some cash. Bye cash. But at least you renew it. You bring it the next day. You can't bring it straight away. You'll have to renew it, bring it the next day, and then there, no cash. Simple as. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, so cross out the data that the library doesn't need and fill in the rest. Alright guys, so I'm not going to put in my real name because obviously I'm not. Okay, so let's be quick. I've done that. Yeah, let's come up with a name. Let's say Jack. Okay. Yeah, Jack. Say last name is Mackenzie or let's say Dariat. I don't know, but yeah. Last names are made up, so Dariat. I can't believe I'm doing this, but yeah. Parents' email address. I'm gonna do any created. Yeah. I can't use my last name because obviously. Okay, so let's say it's Jack D at hotmail.com. Okay. Address. This one's a hard one to come up with because there are places that yeah, you know. You can put your own address, but don't let anyone see. Don't. Watching you. Well, I can't see because, yeah, but I know if you're doing something wrong. Not exactly, but yeah. Okay, so let's say 84 Black Street. And yeah, like made up letters and numbers. Let's say it's Manchester. So Manchester. Okay, so let's say MM13 GLA. These are made up for sure. Okay, date of birth. You can make your own one up. I'm making my own one up. I'm gonna be an adult in this case. Okay. So day. First of the 2000th. For sure. Shoe size, we don't need to do that, so we'll just put X's across these because favorite color, what you had for breakfast. Why do you want to know that for, huh? Well, shoe size, yeah. At least if you ask the library, are there any shoe size, like whenever you put in your details and having shoe size? Do you have any like that so you could tell the shops that I need this type of shoe and I'm this shoe size? Well, that's weird. You can do that, but I don't think it exists. Okay, shoe size. I don't know. 3.5, say. 3.5. Favorite color. My favorite color is I don't know. Green. What you had for breakfast? I think I had oatmeal. Yeah, I had oatmeal or porridge. I don't know. I'll say it's oatmeal. Oatmeal. Unless they want to know about your life, yeah, they'll do that. It doesn't exist, trust me. If you want to do it, just do it, who cares? Okay, wipe this page when you're done. You must be careful not to share your personal information. That's what you want to hear. This is what you need. You do not want to share your personal information if you're crazy. If you're crazy, do not share your personal information. No personal info to anybody that looks suspicious. Like those people with weird masks and mustaches. Those are called hackers if you don't know. Don't share it with them. Okay, find out more about safety online in Digital Skills book in this series or log on to go.techkids.com. I'll put this in the description. So yeah, so don't forget, check the description. This. Okay, sorting data. Now this is important as well. As important as collecting it, but just a little more, tad. It's faster for computers and people to find data if it's stored in order and organized well. Draw arrows to show where the books on the floor go, so they are all back in alphabetical order. Why do we have to do this? We have to. Okay, AHS. Animals, history, science. Okay. Animals fit into science and history does as well, I think. Okay. Dolphins. What are they? They are animals. So they go here. Mammals. That's a double. We'll leave that to the end, actually. Okay. Space. Definitely with this. I think astronomy is about space. If it is, put in the comments down below. Bugs, they're types of animals, bruh. So, here. Pyramids! History. Pyramids of Giza, when they were built. I think it took about 25 years to build a pyramid. Imagine how hard you have to work. I don't even need to imagine it. Vikings, they were in the olden times. Old history. Victorians, wow, VV. Wait, that's 10, I think. Mammals, flight. Flight has got to fit into science. Now, mammals. Think, mammals are animals like we are. We're not exactly animals, but we're kind of, because we're mammals and some animals are mammals. But I think mammals fits into science, mostly. And then put in the comments below if you pick science or animals. I think there might be an I up in the video. So yeah, I'll put it here. There should be an I up in the video. And then we're done. Mammals, they should go in animals because mammals, they're animals. But they fit into science as well. There should be an I in the video. So you can vote for science or animals for mammals. If it is in their comments. Okay, so we're done. Excellent job, guys, if you answered these. Remember to not share your information. And yeah, so remember not to share any of your information unless necessary. If you don't know what necessary means unless you have to. And that's it for today, guys. So see you in my next video where I'm sure we've got 6 or 8 more pages left, and then we're done. Then we can go on to how my tablet works. I can't wait for it. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, guys, can't wait for this one, this next book, How My Tablet Works. I just can't wait. Don't forget to smash the like button. Like I said in my last video, I think, remember to subscribe to 60 and I'll see if I can go on my laptop or tablet to show you actual coding. So yeah, don't forget to share, comment down below anything you want. Anything that your heart desires. Yeah, if just telling you, do not tell me your details. I don't want to know. I'm gonna blank it. Yeah, these aren't my real details, by the way. I don't want to put them in. You know. So yeah, share my videos please as well. If I hit how many likes? Say 500 likes, then I'll see if I can do a special video. I'll think about the special video will be. I'll tell you in my next video. I'll remember telling you in my next video. By the way, it's the holidays. Happy holidays, guys. Half-term holidays. I got 1 week. You guys might have 2 weeks or 1 week. And it's so close to being Eid. Can't wait. It's a special day for me. So yeah, guys. Bye. See you.